Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you another unboxing. You're queen of unboxing. Okay guys, so this is the unboxing for today. Look at this, it's huge. It's a huge box. Okay, so I think I need to open this with scissors. Oh dear. Okay, so just put this. So this is from Amazon. So my husband bought this from Amazon as usual. I don't buy things, guys. So it's good my husband know how to buy things. So it saves me from buying these things, so I can spend my time for something else. Is it, guys? There, and then where should I put this? Put this.
No, where the black tape is there, the
Yes.
Amazon. Yeah,
Oh.
because there is string in there as well. So
Oh, really?
it's strong.
Okay, so I get this one. Oh, that is easy.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Okay, so this is a heater. Okay, guys, so this is a bit heavy. Oops, it's like a baby coming out. Oh dear. Okay. Oh. Okay, 1 second, guys. Oh, okay. So this is. Oh, it's a fan heater. Oh, I wonder what's this fan heater. So it's a fan and a heater, darling.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, so it's the heater is fan.
Yeah. Blows the heat.
Okay. Oh. So that is the leaflet. Paris. So I read it right. Paris Run. Okay. Oh. Let me. Okay, let's. Oh, so there's a remote as well.
Yeah.
Oh dear, goodness. Oh.
Careful, don't scratch the table. Put it next to you on the heater.
Okay.
So you don't scratch the table.
No, it's okay. Let's get open. It's one. Oh, so this is cute. So it is cute. It looks like a speaker.
Yeah.
Oopsie. Oh, looks like a speaker. So how many bars are there? Is it
I'm
vertical?
not sure. It's ceramic inside, so I don't even know.
So that's the vertical.
I know it's 2 heat settings.
Oh,
1200 watts and 2000 watts.
and 2000 watts. Maybe we can try it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open this thing. And that thing. Also, it's good. The lid is quite long. It can be charged anywhere.
We'll try it. You want to try it here or in the kitchen?
Let's see it here first, so because we are videoing. So
I think you have to take those, that off as
should
well.
take this off, and then see this is on the top. So these are the controls, the buttons.
Yeah.
It says
On,
warning, do not cover. So this is the start switch, and then M. What is M? Plus.
Maybe medium.
Oh,
I'm
so
not sure.
maybe. So this is to increase the heat. And then there's to reduce.
And then the other one is to rotate.
Oh. Yeah, that
That's-
one is to. So it's only here, the one that it hits up. That is the filament.
Probably.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so you can
So press the on button.
press the on button. It says 35 degrees centigrade. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah. Whatever the red instructions is.
So
It's
this is
fairly noisy though for night time.
Yeah.
Within the bedroom.
So it's noisy. So because it says fan,
Yeah.
so that is the fan turning.
Yeah.
Oh.
Belows the heat.
Okay, what level is it? So high, low, eco mode.
How to increase and decrease the heat. The heat settings.
The heat. So is you have to press the plus and minus. That
So,
is to increase and decrease the heating.
so press the plus, see if it goes any higher.
Didn't
Does
go
it
here.
say anything on it?
No, it's still 35.
Maybe it's already on the high.
Oh yeah, that's the maximum, 35.
So press minus.
Yeah, I press minus and it's reducing. So it's
Yeah, but
33 now, 32.
I think that's the thermostat, not the
Oh,
actual heat setting.
it's hot. So
Where are the heat settings? Which button?
you read it. I think it's noisy from the back. And this is very handy. You can use it anywhere in the room. So this is the best to heat up the room if you don't want to use the central heating.
Press the M button.
The M. Okay. It says low.
And press it again.
It goes high.
So that's it. That's the temperature control. The heat
How about
settings. 1 and 2.
the fan? How do you control the fan?
You don't. So as you turn it on, that's it. Just the one.
Oh, so that is annoying.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Oh my god.
The
So at
other
night
plus
time,
minus, that's for the thermostat. So you set it to the temperature you require.
that's the remote.
Yeah.
So you can switch it on when you are on the bed if you
Yeah.
on or off.
This is we use it in the bedroom.
But then you have to switch it off
noisy.
before going to bed because or else we cannot sleep with this noise.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah. It's like a lawnmower. It's so noisy.
Yeah. I think we'll use this in the
Yeah.
kitchen.
Yeah, so you can only use this for daytime. We only use heater in winter, guys.
Because if we just heat the one room we are in, then it's far cheaper than putting on the central heating.
Yeah, because we only use one room at a time. Like we use TV in one room, and then we go in the kitchen, and that's all. Kitchen and so we don't use the central heating for the whole house.
You can turn it off.
So this is cheaper using
And
this.
then we'll move it to the kitchen. On off switch.
Yeah, that's what I pressed, but is it? Why it's not switching off?
Is it still hot?
It goes to
Maybe
14, 13, 12. You try.
let's see if it will switch off maybe by itself.
Oh, so that is the countdown.
Yeah.
Oh, so when you
So
press
maybe it cools it
this.
down a bit before switching it off.
Oh, right. So that's how it. So now you know.
Yeah.
So, okay, guys. So, this is it, the unboxing for today. So, we have this heater because our other heater is
They keep
it's
blowing the
yeah.
halogen heaters. Halogen heaters are more economical to use because
Halogen. Is this
they use
halogen?
no, it's ceramic.
Oh, ceramic.
That's why it uses almost double the amount of electricity, unfortunately.
And why did you buy this then?
Because the others keep blowing. The company that used to make the more reliable ones, Pifco, doesn't exist anymore. All the ones on the market now, they can go on Amazon. They're rubbish. You can read the reviews. They blow within a few days.
Oh my god. So they want
So
you to buy more, to buy again and again.
yeah, the people making them, they're just using very cheap materials,
So is this
cheap
longer?
elements.
Will you? Is this
Hopefully,
last longer?
hopefully. I've never used a ceramic heater before, so I'm not
Yeah.
sure, but it should do.
So
I hope.
it's cool down. Oh, so this is good then. It's safe for our cat.
Yeah,
It's safe for our baby.
yeah. The only thing is it doesn't like fun, so
Oh yeah, he doesn't come near here anyway because of the noise. Yeah. Once there's no noise, he can scratch a bit.
when it's switched off.
Yeah, when it's off. Yeah. So it's good because there is a remote.
Yeah, so if you use it
Yeah,
in the
that is so
bedroom,
useful.
and the heater is at the back, and they're sitting in front of the bed, then we can
Yeah,
use the remote control to turn it on and off.
you don't need to get up
Yeah.
to turn it on. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for today. It's a bit. You start again. Oh my god. So. My gosh. Does it. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Alright, okay guys, so this is it, the unboxing for today, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you.
Blah blah blah.
Love, love, love.